reaching out to the White House for reaction to this new statement from Pakistan's prime minister. They've been involved in the efforts that the Trump administration has been very involved in trying to reach some diplomatic efforts here. So they are saying diplomatic efforts for peaceful settlement of the ongoing war in the Middle East are progressing steadily, strongly, and powerfully, with the potential to lead to substantial results in the near future to allow diplomacy to run its course. I earnestly request President Trump to extend the deadline for 2 weeks. Pakistan, in all sincerity, requests the Iranian brothers to open the Strait of Hormuz for a corresponding period of 2 weeks as a goodwill gesture. We also urge all warring parties to observe a ceasefire everywhere for 2 weeks to allow diplomacy to achieve conclusive termination of the war in the interest of the long-term peace and stability in the region. We know that Pakistan and Turkey and Egypt have all been part of these discussions that are ongoing. We know that a lot of the language that we've just been discussing is one of the tools that they are hoping will get to some sort of resolution that opens the strait. Whether or not the White House will agree to this 2-week cessation and a 2-week period to try to hammer this out, we're going to let you know. We're working on